Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am showing you what is in my makeup kit. I'm really excited. I just got a bigger makeup case for all of it, and then I just bought a bunch more makeup for it because I just had my first wedding of the season this past Saturday. So I'm really excited to be doing more weddings this summer. And yeah, so I thought it'd be helpful and just fun just to show you what I keep in my makeup kit. It's definitely kind of a beginner's makeup kit. I still have a lot that I need to add to it and just build my kit more, but this is what I have so far, so I thought I would show you. I did a poll on Instagram and everybody said that they wanted to see it, so that is what I did for today. So if you want to see everything that's in my makeup kit, then you can just keep on watching. Okay. So this is my makeup bag that I just got for my makeup kit, or for my freelance makeup. It's this huge case. My previous one was a little bit bigger than this part right here. So I've like quadrupled my size. And so I just wanted to go through and show you what I keep in it. I'd say this is kind of like a beginner's makeup kit. This is only my second season in freelance makeup artistry. So beforehand, you know, I was just working at a salon, so I didn't really have to have my own stuff. I did have some stuff from my schooling that I went to 2 years ago, but aside from that, I didn't have too much. So I am still building my kit, but this is what I have so far, and it was finally big enough to have to upgrade. So I'm going to go through and show you. So we'll start with this top one. So this detaches from this. So on this side it's just little clips. And this comes off. So I'll show you what's in here. I keep my airbrush stuff in here. So I don't actually have a lot because so this has these two little trays. So I just have some of the cleaning stuff. And then it actually opens up. Let me see if I can get it like this. So once I get more makeup and stuff, I'll have to use this, and there's a place for brushes here. So it opens like that. Okay, so you can kind of see I have some different pouches and stuff in there. So it came with all these different little clear pouches, which is really nice. They have Velcro, so I don't know. You're supposed to be able to Velcro them too, but anyway. So I just keep the different airbrush makeup in here. So I just have all these different ones. It's like some darkener and stuff. Just a bunch of different shades. So I have 2 bags of that. And then just my airbrush itself. So this is the airbrush gun and the little machine. So I just keep that in there. That's what this looks like. I'm actually going to be taking this to my parents' house today to practice on some of my sister-in-laws, because I have a wedding that I have to do airbrush makeup for in a couple weeks. So I just wanted to practice them because I haven't really done much airbrush makeup in like 2 years. So that's that. And so this I won't take to every makeup or wedding or event because obviously I don't do airbrush makeup a lot, so it's nice that this can detach and I don't always have to take it until, you know, I get more stuff and I'm gonna have to use it for regular makeup too. But so that's that. Okay, moving on to the main case. So it opens up like this, and so similarly to, so you can see, similar to the other one, it has the place for makeup brushes. So yeah, I just have all my makeup brushes here, and then I have some clips for hair to pin it back and stuff. I have some tweezers. This is for my little foundation pan and stuff. And I have scissors in there too for lashes. And then on the top I just kind of keep miscellaneous stuff. So I have makeup wipes for any mistakes or if just something needs to be cleaned up. I have hand sanitizer, which is really important to keep on you. I have, this is kind of messy, I'm not gonna lie. I have some spoolies. I have more on the way because I'm like literally almost down. I have 2 left. Then I just have a bunch of like lip applicators. There's my scissors, those need to go up here. I have Q-tips, some beauty sponges. Then I have like a little notebook just to keep track of things. And then in this pouch, I just have some cleaning supplies. So I have water, alcohol, and then some brush cleaner, just to keep everything sanitized. And then I actually just started doing this. I put some baby shampoo in this little travel size container to clean sponges with, because you have to be more thorough with those. With brushes, I just use brush cleaner in between clients, and then after each wedding or whatever event I'm doing, I will deep clean them with baby shampoo. And then I also just keep some of my makeup like eyeshadow palettes, just because the drawers aren't huge, so that are in this bottom part. So I have, this is a new one that I got for my kid. This is the Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette. It's really pretty. And then this is a must for any makeup kit, I feel like. I honestly use it 99% of the time. It's like the one palette I always use. There's just, because so many people just want like kind of like a soft smoky eye or just neutral colors, and this has everything. I use these shades a lot, I use that shade a lot. If you don't have this in your makeup kit, you need to have it. It's super necessary. And then I just have, this is one from school that I have a couple, so I can add more, I just haven't yet. But it has some nice neutral colors, and I like this kind of blushy color too. And then I have my Naked 2 palette, another good one. And then I also have this Makeup Revolution one that has a bunch of neutral colors as well, and it has some like pops of colors as well too, so that one is great. So that's pretty much everything for this top portion. So then these unzip right here, and we have this, sorry I don't know if you can see all of it, let me scooch it back more. So it has 4 drawers on each side. So I kind of organized it in order of like what I use. So in this first drawer, I just have any like priming and prepping stuff. So I have like a chapstick, so I can do lips, like get the lips moisturized first, because I don't like to moisturize right before I do lips, just because then it can get too soft, and you want the product to last as long as possible. So if you get them moisturized first, then you do the rest of the makeup, finish off with lips, then it has time to kind of like dry a little bit. Then I also have an eye cream. This one is just from e.l.f. I didn't feel the need to invest in an expensive eye cream for someone that's going to use it for one day. So e.l.f. has some really good skincare products anyways, so this one wasn't super expensive, and it's going to last a while too. So I have that, and then I have this Neutrogena Hydro Boost moisturizer. I always like to moisturize my clients as well, make sure that their skin is prepped. Then I have a couple primers. This is an e.l.f. poreless primer, so if anybody has oily skin and needs something more like mattifying and stuff. Then I also have this L'Oreal Magic Living one. You guys know this is one of my favorites. I use it all the time. And sometimes I'll mix the both, so if like they have, you know, more of an oily T-zone, I'll use this in the T-zone, and then this around the cheeks and stuff, just to give more glow. So I have that, and then I typically do eyes. So in here I have different foundations and concealers. I usually prime with a concealer and set with a powder and then do eyeshadow. And I always do eyes before face when it comes to like wedding makeup, especially, just because if there's going to be any fallout, I just want an easy cleanup. I can get a makeup wipe, clean it up before I move on to the face. So I always do that. So I just have a bunch of different foundation. You can tell my favorite is the Fit Me, so I have just a bunch of different shades. I have a couple different concealers. I have a few of the LA Girl ones. I have Maybelline Fit Me, which is a really nice, more light coverage one for people that don't wear a lot of makeup. And then I have a couple of the Makeup Revolution one, which is another one of my favorites. It's a really good dupe for Tarte Shape Tape. And I do want to get a couple more like foundation options. So I'll probably get that in the next couple weeks, but for now that's what I have. Then moving on to this drawer. This is just any other face products essentially. So I have some different kits. So I have like our palettes. So this one is just like a little couple blushes that I have for my schooling. I have this this bronzing palette, which is from NYX, which is a really good one. Yeah, it's one of my favorites. I use these two shades a lot. And then I just have some different bronzers, blushes, highlights. This is one of my go-to blushes. This is Milani Luminoso Baked Blush. This is another pretty blush from Maybelline. It's in the shade 35. Kind of another corally one. This is more of a pinky one from Maybelline as well. I have the City Bronzer, which is one of my faves. Then I got the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in Metallic Highlighter, or in 250. I don't know. And then I have this Makeup Revolution highlighter that's kind of more pinky. So for like more like fair skin, it's kind of a softer, not super pigmented highlighter, which is nice for some people because a lot of people don't want a blinding highlight. And then I just have a couple from NYX. This one is in Moonlight Pearls. This is a really pretty one. This one is Blush Gem, so it's a little bit of a darker shade, so for anybody with darker skin tone, this would be a good one. Then moving into this drawer, there's not too much in here, it's just some eye stuff. So I have a couple different eyebrow pencils. This is my favorite, one of my favorites from Maybelline. It's the Master Precise. And then I also have a brow kit. So this is from LA Girl. It just has a couple different powders. It also has a highlight for your brow bone and a wax, and it also comes with like a little spoolie and tweezers, which is nice, and has a mirror seal. Then I use this mascara like on everyone. This is my favorite. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational. I always get waterproof for my kit because most people are going to cry on their wedding day, so you just want to be prepared for that. And then I have a couple different eyeliners. This one is like pretty much out, so I need to get a new one. But this one is really good. It is pretty waterproof, so but it also comes off nicely. And then this is Maybelline Master Precise All Day Liner. This one I actually got for free with all the makeup that I bought a couple days ago from Ulta. So that, and then I just have like a brown pencil liner. So if someone doesn't want black, or if it'd just be too harsh for them, I go with brown. Moving on to the third drawer on this side. This is my lip drawer. So I have all those, mostly nudes. I won't go through everything, but I have a lot of nudes. This is one of my favorites from Maybelline. It's the Super Stay Matte Ink. Those last so long, so that's a really good one. I have this lip pencil from NYX in Nude. This is another one of my go-tos. I've had at least 2 or 3 brides use this one, and then they just go and buy one for themselves just so they can have it to touch up. This is the one that I also wore on my wedding day, so I know that it's a good one. So I recommend that for a lot of people. And then I just have some darker colors. I have a red, a kind of more like maroonish wine color. Yeah, and just some more like pinky ones, rosy colors. So yeah, those are my lip colors. Then on this drawer right next to it, I have my lashes. So I have some Kiss Shy lashes for more natural ones. I also have some Demi Wispies. These are one of my favorites. They're not super dramatic, but they're definitely not super natural, at least on a lot of people. These are really good though. And then I just have some like little clusters and individual lashes, and then I have 2 different lash glues. This one is the Duo. This is a really good one. It doesn't say that it's latex free, so I also keep this one because it says that it's latex free, so in case anybody is allergic to latex, you just want to have an option for them. I actually don't have anything in the bottom drawer on this side yet. Once I get more foundations, I'll probably just move things down and have 2 drawers for foundation. But that is everything. This case also has like, zip this back up. It also has extra storage on the sides. So there's zippers here. I don't even know what I would need to put there yet. Maybe I'll find a purpose for it eventually. So it has 2 of those. And then it has a clear pouch here, and then another, which you can't see, another pouch there. That is everything. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and found it helpful if you are just building your makeup kit as well. It's a lot. You have to get a lot, and it can be kind of overwhelming and stuff, but I hope that this was helpful. I will link the case that I have in the description below. It's from Amazon, so I'll link that below. And if you have any questions, definitely let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to follow me on social media. I post a lot of stuff over there regarding just life, hair, and then makeup as well. So definitely follow me there. I'll have both my accounts in the description below. I have just a regular, my main page, and then I do have one specific for makeup. So I will leave both in the description below. But yeah, I believe that is everything. I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll talk to you guys all in the next video. Bye guys!